Okay, here we are in the gear checking room where we have the programmable gear checkers. These are the Klingelnberg gear checkers. And these gear checkers are computerized. They've been updated by Northeast Technologies. This is a PFSU 640. It was last certified in 2021. We also have by Northeast Technologies. And here's a PFSU 1200 with its computer. There, it's even on. And those Klingelnberg gear checkers are machines that were retrofitted and controlled and updated by Northeast Technologies. Now here's something you don't see every day. A Mitutoyo in the box, 42-inch micrometer with standards.